Let's learn how to draw alkenes. Now let's look at what is the parent. The parent chain is 1-butene. Okay, so you draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's look at the numbering. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So first of all, look at the functional group first. So the functional group of the double bond is at carbon number 1. Okay, so we have done this part. Okay, now let's look at the beginning. 1-chloro. Okay, so draw chloro, and then we have other substituent that is 2,3-dimethyl. Means that at carbon number 2 we have 1 methyl. At carbon number 3 we also have 1 methyl. Okay, now we complete by drawing the hydrogen. So remember, each carbon has 4 hydrogen. Okay, so you can draw hydrogen here, or you can just write down hydrogen here, and the last one will be CH3. Okay, now next one. Parent chain is 2-heptene. Okay, let's draw 7 carbon first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we have a special case here that is, okay, we solve this structure first. 2-heptene. Okay, so this is number 1, number 2, number 3. So 2-heptene. Okay, now another one is, substituent is phenyl. 1-phenyl. Okay, so we are done with this. Now we just complete it with the hydrogen. So we will have 2 hydrogen here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. CH2, 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 CH3. Okay, now there's a very special word here that is cis. Okay, so when we have cis means that we need to draw in the cis shape. Okay, so look at the carbon-carbon double bond. So we have 2 hydrogen here. Then this one is another group. This one is another group. Okay, so now we can start to draw the cis. Okay, cis 1-phenyl, 2-heptene. Okay, so we draw, because it is cis, so we put the H on top. Okay, then we have CH2, 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 CH3, and we have this part CH2 and phenyl. You can draw it below, or you can also put it aside. Okay, up to you. Okay, so this is cis 1-phenyl 2-heptene. Okay, now next one. Okay, this is also alkene, but this time it has the word di. Means there are 2 double bond. Okay, octa means 8 carbon. Okay, there's no cis or trans, so just draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so first of all, our double bond is at carbon number 1, then carbon number 4. Okay, then at number 3 we have cyclopropyl. Number 5 we have ethyl, CH2, CH3. Okay, so we just complete the hydrogen. CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, so this part is done. Okay, now we come to the final one. It's pentene, but there's a word cyclopentene. Okay, if there's cyclopentene, we need to draw cyclo first, pentane, not the pentagon. Okay, and then we have pentene. Cyclopentene means that the double bond must have carbon number 1 and number 2. Okay, then let's look at the substituent. We have 1 bromo. Okay, so this one is 1 bromo. Okay, then we have 4 side butyl. Okay, so where is number 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we draw at carbon number 4. Side butyl means the second carbon of butyl. Okay, so CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. So you must remember, once we have cyclopentene, then the double bond must be number 1 and number 2. You cannot label it as number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. It is incorrect. So that's all for drawing alkenes.